Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today, real quick, I haven't made this in a long time. I was walking through the supermarket and I found U-Bet chocolate syrup. That reminded me of a nice chocolate egg cream. Chocolate egg creams originated in New York. I believe it was in Brooklyn, and oddly enough, there's no egg or there's no cream in it. So anyway, this is how you're gonna make it. Okay, so you want a tall glass. To make it authentic, you should use the U-Bet. But if you don't have the U-Bet, then you can use pretty much any chocolate. And you want to put in a couple ounces, right? Then you want to add ice cold milk. You'll see it floats on top, and you want about equal amount. I got a little bit more in there. Now you want to stir this. Okay. Now you want to use seltzer or club soda. I'm going to use seltzer. And you want to pour it in, not quite all the way up. Then you want to mix that. You'll see that head forming. And there you go. There's your chocolate egg cream. Drink it with a bendy straw, and there you have it. Your chocolate egg cream. They're really, really refreshing. Hope you like this. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And until next time, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Bye.